How to apply and manage your Sam's Club Mastercard online. If you'd like to apply for a Sam's Club Mastercard, you can visit Sam's Club location or apply online in their website, which is samsclub.com right here. So you can basically head over to the section right here, and once you are here, you can go to the section where you can register. For that, you can go to the menu in the top left, and from there, look out for sign in or create account, tap on it, and you may head over to the login page where you can register your card. So you can just go ahead and register your membership by tapping on register membership, or you can select this option called not a Sam's Club member, join now. So just go ahead and follow any of the method that you prefer. And once you continue the process and register your membership, you can head back to the login page, and you can enter up your user ID or email address and your password to access the account. And once you are logged in, you can view your statements, go ahead and make payment, and then even request a credit limit increase, update your account information, report your card lost or stolen, and view recent account activity. And from there, you can manage them through the Sam's Club Business Credit Center. And if you have any issues with updating information online, you can try using the desktop browser or clearing your browse cookies. In that way, you can manage your Sam's Club MasterCard online as well. So therefore, that's it. You may follow up this method if you'd like to apply and manage your Sam's Club membership MasterCard online. So I hope this information was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.